कमलदीप सिंह बजाज का जॉर्जिया की कैपिटल तिबलिसी से नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, गामर जोबा। आज मेरे साथ देखिए तिबलिसी का ऑटो म्यूजियम। मेरे YouTube चैनल केडी बजाज फिल्म्स को अवश्य सब्सक्राइब करें, इस व्लॉग को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें।
My name is Rezo. I am director Georgian Auto Museum. This is a private museum. Museum chef Georgian businessman Georgi Mamulashvili. These cars, and I also show second-hand Soviet motorcycles and army cars. His collection. This is only auto museum in Georgia, but also only auto museum in Caucasus region. All cars renovated with fabric details. All cars is working and registration. And all cars stay original tires. Right line stay Soviet people's cars. All car copy European cars. Left line stay Soviet car. First four car named ZAZ. ZAZ is English language, Zaporozhye Auto Factory.
Means 1, 2, 3
2,
and 4.
3 and 4 models.
Okay.
First model they copy from Italian Fiat 600.
Okay.
And next three models copy German car NSU Prince.
Okay. And this yellow one?
Also third model ZAZ.
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 What is Zaz?
ZAZ is English language, Zaporozhye Auto Factory.
Okay. This one?
Next 7 cars, name Moskvich, Moskvich Auto Factory.
Okay.
This is a first model Moskvich, car made 1946, and car copy German car Opel Kadett.
So all 8 next cars are made in Moscow Auto Factory, right?
Yes.
And this car is?
This car Moskvich 403 model, car copy Opel Olympia Capitan. 408 Moskvich, car copy German car BMW.
Okay, you have taken the registration number also with the same name,
yes,
special registration
yes,
number.
special.
Great.
2125 Moskvich. This is a fire car in the Soviet period because car used fire stuff.
Okay. And this one?
412 Moskvich. This is a Soviet police car.
This is a Soviet
Government auto inspection.
What does this mean?
Government auto inspection.
Okay.
2140 and 2140 Lux Moskvich.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. And the yellow one?
Next 3 cars, Soviet classic cars, Soviet name Zhiguli, export name Lada.
Lada. So
This is
1,
a
2 and 3 are Lada cars.
Yes.
Okay. But they are all the cars in this museum are Soviet made, right?
Yes, because this car is our history.
Okay, fine. And what about this car? This
Next
car
car,
looks very
name
big.
Gaz.
Gaz.
Gaz is English language, Gorky Auto Factory, Gorky city in Russia.
Which city?
Russia.
Gorky.
Gorky, now name Gorky, now name Nizhny Novgorod.
Okay, but this is in Russia right
This is
now.
the first Soviet sedan, name Gaz M1.
Okay,
Car made 1936.
okay, a very big car. And who used to use this car, the big car?
This car used Soviet KGB agency.
Okay, this was used by KGB.
Yes.
And this one?
First Soviet pickup named Gaz 4.
1 minute. So this is the pickup car. As you can see, there is a place to keep all the things. So it's a very old pickup car.
Yes.
Can you tell the name again?
Car name 1933.
Yeah.
Car name Gaz 4.
Gaz 4.
And on the wall stay only 5 car.
Okay, this.
1 car we have, another 4 car Russian museum.
Okay. So in all, you have just 5 cars in the entire world.
Yes. About the logo knows how made in Ford.
Yeah.
But don't write Ford. Write Gaz name Molotov.
Okay.
10 Volga, restyling new Volga Gaz 24.
Okay.
Gaz 24 new Volga, car made 1970.
Okay.
And car copy American car Ford Falcon.
Okay.
Gaz 21 old Volga.
Old Volga.
Car made 1956 till 17. This is first model.
Okay.
Second and third.
This one is third.
Yes.
Okay.
Car copy American Ford mainline.
Okay. Mainline Ford.
Gar 22 station Volga. Car made usually how ambulance car.
Okay. This car seems to be very long.
Yes.
So it's a station car.
Yes, station car.
Yeah. So you see the car is so big, hence it's called a station car that time.
Gas 13. Car also named Chaika.
Chaika.
Chaika English language, see a bird seagull.
Okay. So this is the sign
This
of
is a
seagull.
single.
Yeah. And what is the speciality of this
Car
car?
made 1959 till 81.
Okay.
And car made first Soviet people, generally secretary.
So the general secretary used to ride on this car.
Yes. Car made 8-cylinder, automatically gearbox.
And is bulletproof or something like that?
No, this car is no bulletproof.
Okay.
Gas 14 new Chaika. Car name Gas 14, Gorky Auto Factory.
Gorkia Auto Factory. It
Car
is in,
copy American Lincoln.
okay.
Gas 13 old Chaika, but
Okay.
this is a white color. That
Okay.
was a black color, same model.
Okay. So this and this car and this car is same. The color is different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gas 12.
Gas 12.
Car also named Zim.
Zim.
Zim is English language, factory name Molotov.
Okay.
Car made 1949.
Okay.
This photo in this car before and after renovation.
So this is before renovation and this is after renovation. A great change. And you wanted to show something special about this
1960
car?
also made how taxi because car very big and very comfortable.
ओह वेरी बिग कार. एक कोई सोफ़ा होता है उतनी बड़ी जगह है और आप जगह देख सकते हैं कितनी ज़्यादा है. और यहाँ पे मुझे बताया कि यहाँ पे इस तरह की चेयर्स भी लगी हुई हैं. अगर चेयर्स में बैठना चाहो तो चेयर्स आप ऊपर करके यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं. बच्चे बैठ सकते हैं, बड़े भी बैठ सकते हैं. इस तरह की 2 चेयर्स दी गई हैं और काफ़ी बड़ी कार है ये. लिमोजिन टाइप की कार लगती है.
Especially cabriolet. Moskvich 407.
Okay.
Car made only with 2 colors and salon also made with 2 colors.
Okay, the inside tapestry also to be in 2 colors.
Yeah. Blue and white, red and white, green
Okay.
and white.
Okay.
412 Moskviches. This is a Soviet people's car.
Okay.
And right line, I show Soviet police cars. Same
Yeah.
model.
Same model, okay.
Very interesting car. Car name SMZ C3D. Car is no sale. Car only gift after second war for the wallet person.
Okay.
Who have not legs.
Okay.
Because
So
car
those
have
who were
not-
handicapped in the World
handicap
War,
car.
this car was made specifically
Yes,
for them.
yes, special.
And this used to be the accelerator and gears.
And gas. yeah.
Okay.
And brake on the right.
Okay. And those 2 black ones,
Yeah.
what are they? These black ones?
Brake behind and back.
Okay. Move forward and back.
Yeah. This car is no copy car. This is only Soviet design car, just only one. This car.
Okay. This was the only original car of
Only one.
USSR.
Yeah.
ओके. तिब्लिसी ऑटो म्यूजियम के टाइमिंग्स हैं मॉर्निंग 11 AM से इवनिंग 6 PM तक. मंडे के दिन ये म्यूजियम क्लोज रहता है. ये थोड़ा ऑफ बीट एरिया में है, इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में ये म्यूजियम है और इसको देखने की टिकट है वो है 10 लारी पर पर्सन.
BMW we especially show because it's Soviet Ural. And Soviet NEP was made in the Soviet Union.
So these and this were copied from BMW,
BMW.
but these were all made in USSR.
USSR, yes.
Okay.
BMW made 1937.
37.
Yes.
Okay.
Soviet scooter named Vyatka. Scooter copy Italian Vespa, but Indian Bajaj also.
Yeah, we have our Bajaj scooter, Chetak and all.
Soviet bike named Ij.
Ish,
Yes, bike copy Japan bike Honda.
Honda.
Yes. Green bike, Soviet bike named Ural. Model number M63.
Okay, which this one?
Blue, also Ural, but model number 72.
Okay, made by same company, but the models are different.
Yes.
This one?
This bike is Jupiter 3K, Soviet bike.
Okay.
First Soviet Jeep.
से इनके पास 2 हॉल्स हैं जिनके अंदर कार्स और बाइक्स और सब रखा गया है, और हॉल के बाहर भी इस तरह से व्हीकल्स रखे गए हैं जो अभी अंडर रिनोवेशन है। ये सब जो भी कार्स हैं वो अंडर रिनोवेशन है। ये हमारे भारत में 118 NE आती थी बहुत वर्षों पहले, ये वही कार है। सोवियत कार्स का इतना बड़ा जजीरा मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा है। तो आप तिब्लिसी आते हैं तो एक बार ज़रूर ये म्यूज़ियम को विज़िट करें। और कार्स जो रिनोवेशन में हैं,
Angel.